guys, I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Today again, 8 minutes. It was cool. We're gonna be walking around my house doing what am I putting on this accent for? So 8 minutes till I go to school. Mum's in bed, brother's in bed. Chilling. Hopefully you guys have seen my last video. Stop dissing YouTubers. Oh shit. Stop dissing YouTubers is what it was called. I just looked back over there just then. I don't think it was really good. I don't think it was good at all. For me, it's a bad video. It's boring to watch. And like this video is going to be boring to watch. So again, come for a minute off. Yeah? Shit. I can literally hear something weird. I can still hear it. It's gone. I just told my mum that noises. Probably the baby's next door because I live in the middle of two houses and they both have a baby. All three of these houses have kids. So in this house is me and my little brother. In that house is a girl called Lily and Angel. In that house there's a load of them. There's got Sam, like 13 or something. Taylor, which works in co-op. Yayan, which is my friend, same age as me. Got Jack, which is the younger one. Alfie, which is the younger one. Then Siobhan. I think she's just older than Sam. So I think she's having another baby. So basically that's. But I'll be right back. So basically there's 8 people that live in that house. Because you got Emma and Gareth as well, to the mum and stepdad. And the dad from their house, that house, from there, he got kicked out of the house. The police come and took him out because they had an argument. And I'm going to end this video here. If you like this, give it a subscribe. Join the Alien Collective.